Welcome back. Mark D, CutRock'R here. Yes, it's almost time for the Winter Nationals from Low Country Diecast Racing League. I have built and sent 2 cars which are already in the States. Hopefully they'll get there soon. One is a supercharged build. Not as easy to build as I expected and to get speed from. The other is an old Bonneville which I got from a flea market somewhere out in Bowral, and I've called it the Bowral Bomb. Here is an early test of the Supercharged. There for the first run. Proving now to the Bowral Bomb build. More development to follow, but here is no charge versus the Bowral Bomb mid-test session. Let's go. More power! Turn up the wick! Well, no charge is moving reasonably well, but not quite elite times I'd like to see. And the Bowral Bomb suffers a little bit from inconsistency. I think there was a little bit of a twisted chassis being a bomb, but gee, it can crack out a time when it needs to. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Just checked post tracking, posted a pic. Well, it's Miami, so I hope that's not too far away. I've posted the link for the Winter Nationals in the description. Have a great Christmas all. Cheers.